Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here today. I just did my thumbnail pictures and I hope I managed to not look psychotic in them because I was like, I'm so excited. I have my Beautylish Fukubukuro, I think that's how you say it, lucky bag. So let's get in here and see if I got lucky. This is the third year that I have ordered the Beautylish Fukubukuro, I think that's how you say it, bag. It is the lucky bag. They do it, you have to get on the day after Christmas every year, December 26th, and you order it. I think we used to have to do it at midnight, and this year we did it at like 9 or noon or something the next day, which was kind of nice. But I got lucky and I did get the extra large lucky bag this time. The last 2 times or 3 times that I've gotten it, I've done the regular bag, but this year I went ahead and went out for the XL bag. When you do it, they have the regular bags, the XL bags, and they have Jeffree Star mystery bundles, but those didn't sell. I noticed I was being offered those like the next day. That is what it looks like on the inside. It is always wrapped up so pretty, and it comes with that nice little tag, so I can't wait. They say when you order it, you will get double the price of what you paid in value. I got the extra large box this year, which was the first time, and it was a $150 box. I know, I couldn't believe I did it either. So in theory, I should have $300 in value. It also costs $15 to ship. You can also get the regular box, and that one is I think $75 with a $10 shipping. When you take the tag off, that is what the front looks like, and it says, "Lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own." The shisa on this year's lucky bag are known as guardians in Okinawa, Japan. They are said to ward off evil spirits while keeping good spirits in. We hope the surprises inside invite you to leave the bad behind and take the good with you in 2022. And they say it's a lucky bag because while you will get twice the value that you spent, some boxes are even luckier than others. Once you get it open, you just have a big bundle. You can just take out the big bundle that was in here. It was all nice and protected. I usually keep, here, let me take it out and show you. I usually keep this paper because it's good enough to use as wrapping paper. How pretty is that? The answer is so pretty. Right on top. Feeling pretty lucky. I have brushes. You guys know I can never have enough brushes. I don't know what brand this is. Let's get in and check it out. It's clearly a face set. So let's just take out the big fluffy one. And it says Unit 302. I will have to get on. If I can work it out, I will let you know here. I don't know whose brushes these are. They're really pretty. And they say Unit 302 here. I don't know the value of them. Oh, it feels very nice. Oh, I will definitely be using these. So I have Unit 302, which is a nice powder brush. Although this one also, Unit 301, also looks like a nice powder brush. 304. So these are just nice. This is a nice contour. That is what I have. They're nice fluffy brushes. They feel really nice. Okay, next out, I have a Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid Boosting Essence. Good Molecules is, this came from Beautylish. Did I mention that? I probably mentioned it in the title. Beautylish is who does this each year. And this is one of their brands. And it's the Good Molecules. It's 4 fluid ounces. This says, shake well, dispense a few drops into palms or cotton pad and pat into skin. Apply hyaluronic acid serum following boosting essence. Avoid direct contact with eyes. Okay, that is what it looks like. It is in a nice glass bottle. Each year, we usually get something from Good Molecules, whether you get this bag or the regular bag, you usually get something from them. Last year, I got a powdered face cleanser. It's a little aggressive, but I do use it in the summer, probably once a week because I feel like it gets in there and gets it clean. That's fun. I will give that a try. Next out, something from Slip. So it's going to be something for my hair, I'd say. This was an ornament, I'm sure. That is what it would have looked like. And it has, I think, 3 of the thinner silk hair ties. And it is absolutely, I have been trying really hard not to pull my hair up lately because I'm having so much breakage. And they say one of the things that leads to breakage is constantly pulling your hair up. But I still do. And when I do, I really try and use the Slip product. Oh, there's 4. I really try and use the Slip products because they are made of silk and they in theory, don't break your hair as much. So I have a black with stars on it, just kind of a copper color. Both will do well with my hair. The kind of coppery brownish with black polka dots on it, and then just a nice gray color. So yeah, these will definitely get used, and they're not inexpensive. Next out, I have Briogeo Farewell Frizz Rosarco Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I use the Briogeo Farewell Frizz. Do I have one right here? This is the one that I own. It's also called Farewell Frizz. And it's the Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. This is the Farewell Frizz. Oh, so Farewell Frizz. It's like I've never seen cosmetics before. So Farewell Frizz is a full line of products. Genius. And within that line, this is the Rosarco Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. Well, yay. I will absolutely use the heck out of this. I have like 4 of these. I have 2 more just right there, and I have the one that I'm using. So I use this. I love it. I used it today. I'll add this to the mix. It says that it's really good for helping detangle hair when it's wet and my hair comes out of the shower and not. So very happy to have that. Next out, and I purchase these for myself all the time, I have a Viseart palette. It is the Petit Four Chocolat. Look, it's a square one. Like mine are usually the rectangle because they're 8, but this is a quad. Oh, it's very pretty. It is a very pretty palette. Let me take the top off. I'm not going to swatch that because I have several of the Viseart palettes, so I want to make sure these are not colors that I have some very similar to, because I have been putting some stuff in some boxes lately and I might want to be able to pass that along, but I will be trying to let you guys know here the values of each of the products. The Viseart palettes are not inexpensive, but we can often pick them up in like the Boxy or the Ipsy sales. Still a very pretty palette. Next out, I seem to have a lot of little things. So this is a Wayne Goss. What is it, a Wayne Goss? High Shine Gloss. Ooh, and it's in hibiscus. Hibiscus seems like a color I might be able to use. That would be exciting. That's very pretty. I've never tried a Wayne Goss cosmetic. I usually get one of his brushes. I bet I don't get any other brushes though, because I got that whole brush set, but let's try this. It's kind of a glossy look. And I just have on a matte, actually this is just a lip liner. It is a Delia lip liner. If you have any interest, let me know. I'll let you know below, but I love the color, and it's just a lip liner, but I often do my lips with it just because the color is so great. Oh, this is gorgeous. And it's minty, and you can't get away from it when it's gloss. It's got a little pull, but it's not a real sticky pull. I mean, if I go out in the wind, is my hair gonna stick to it? Probably. You can't have this much hair and lip gloss and hope for anything else. But it's not bad, and I think it's really pretty. All right, very happy with that. Next out, I have another lip. It is Hourglass, and it is the Ultra Slim High Intensity. I have had this before. Mine was a very, very deep red. Let's see what this one is. This one is called Let Me. I don't remember what the name of my other one was. I wore it periodically. Oh, this one's more burgundy. I wore the other one periodically, but it was such a commitment to red. It wasn't like a burgundy like this one appears to be. It was like, is it Christmas? Red. Oh, this one is more brown. I thought it was burgundy, and it has more of a brown feel to it. I don't know that this will be perfect for me, but you bet your bippy I'll be trying it because I do love the Hourglass products. And one of the things I like about this is you can replace just the lippy. You don't have to replace the whole component. You can just replace the lippy part. Next out, I have, Charlotte Tilbury Swish and Pop Blusher. Oh, please be colors I can use. Walk of No Shame. Something about that just doesn't sound like my color. I don't know why. Okay. When we take it out, that is what it looks like. Very pretty. Let's see what the color is. I can totally use it. That is so pretty. Yay. It's a little dark. It's a little dark, but summer will come. Summer will come. That is so pretty. Swish the outer shade across the cheekbones. Pop the middle shade onto the apples of the cheeks. Okay. Well, I don't have my cheekbones unoccupied, but let's do the blush. That's pretty. And the pop. Okay. That is the blush and the pop. I am absolutely going to try these, and I think they will work for me. I think that they are light enough that they are going to be absolutely fine for me. That said, if they are not, I can tell just by looking at this right now, these colors would be perfect for my mother. They would just be absolutely perfect for her. So this will absolutely get used. That's a pretty good product. And last, yes, Yes, last but not least, I have Tom Ford. I mean, okay, if you insist. Very happy with that. So I now know all of the products that I got, so we'll have to look it up and see if I got $300 in value. This is called Naked Pink. I'm very excited. I have actually gotten one of the Tom Ford quads before. That's what this is a quad. But the last one that I got was like deep charcoal and that kind of thing. So we'll have to see what Naked Pink means. They've done it in white now. The one that I have was all in this silverish metal up here. And the second you touched it, it looked no bueno. It immediately was covered in hand fingerprints, and this is much nicer. Okay. Let's see if Naked Pink gets me more neutral colors. It does. They're gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Would you let me show you? When you open it up, this whole top part is a mirror, and it says Tom Ford at the bottom. And then that is the palette. Take that plastic off. Oh, the plastic holds the brushes. Interesting. That is so usable for me. I'm so happy. Like I said, the last one that I got was all very dark colors. And actually, I think all but one was a shimmer. And this has, yeah, same with this one. So you get your one matte. So I have that, which I don't know. Let's try it. I don't know if for me that will be more of a transition or an all over color. I just put it right here. So I think an all over color. So then I could probably use this one, although it has a little shine to it. That's so, these are just gonna be, I hope you can see that, it's very light. I'll just show you on my finger. These are gonna be gorgeous. I mean, that is what those, I don't even know that I can get these across. They are so light. And did I show you guys it came out of a nice velvety pouch? It's very pretty. That was my Beautylish Lucky Bag. So this is the point, the whole point of the Lucky Bag is you order it just to see how lucky you can get. I have the Tom Ford Quad, the Charlotte Tilbury Swish and Pop, the Hourglass lipstick, which I've had before. It's a lovely lipstick. I'm not sure if I can make the brown work for me, but I will find it a nice home if I can. This nice Wayne Goss lippy, so happy about that. There's no way I'm gonna be able to hold all this. The Viseart shadow palette, so I got 2 shadow palettes. The Slip hair ties, the Briogeo hair product, and the Good Molecules Hyaluronic Essence, and let's see how good my pinky is. Yeah, it's good. The brushes, who hopefully I have let you know now what brand they are. I mean, no doubt this is $150 worth of product, and I'm sure they wouldn't have sent it if it weren't to $300 worth of product. Do I feel lucky? I will use a lot of this. I will for sure use the Tom Ford, the Charlotte Tilbury, the Wayne Goss lip, the Briogeo for my hair, the slip ties, always happy to have new brushes. I'll try the hyaluronics here. Yeah, I'm trying it all. The only thing that I might not try is the Viseart, and don't get me wrong, I love Viseart. I love their eyeshadows, but I may have colors very similar to this, so I may pass that along. So now I have to decide, when next year comes around, do I want the regular $75 one or do I go for the $150 one again? It's really just luck. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I have a lot of fun things to go try now. I hope I see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and take care out there, guys.